Have you ever been curious what's been available in Bergen Lafayette, or even where this location is in Jersey City? Stick around for this property tour. Welcome back to the channel. If you're brand new here, my name is Andre, your New Jersey realtor, and today we're checking out this brand new condo that is listed for $599,000. If you have any questions specific about this property, or it might not match what you're looking for, contact me in my info down below. And without further ado, enjoy the property tour. So there you have it. That's the property tour of this brand new construction. I really hope that helped you guys realize what's been selling here in this area of Jersey City. If you'd like to find out more about this property, or if you have any questions about this neighborhood and what's been going on in the market in this area, contact me in my info down below. And don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and bell notification so you can see the next videos and neighborhood tips to help you get started on your property search here in Jersey. Once again, this is Andre. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.